It was in the year 1623 that a bunch of mates got together to publish my plays, and Yowlott have been talking about them ever since. But what if I never wrote them? You see, I was dead when they published them. All right, some of them were printed before I snuffed it, but after 400 years, I think it's time I came clean.
Yes, indeed. Very good. You see, it was I, Sir Francis Bacon, who wrote Mr. Shakespeare's plays. It was an open secret, known to my fellow lawyers at Gray's Inn, where we performed the plays, but of course, I couldn't have it known in public that I dallied with professional theatre. So, as I have said elsewhere, though it grew from me, it went about in others' names.
Pah! That thou shouldst claim the credit. A fig for the notion. 'Twas I, the Earl of Oxford, Edward de Vere, who wrote the plays of Mr. Shakespeare. But 'twas never the wont of a noble earl to set his name to play or show, and had that Bacon not been so bold, I'ld have kept my silence even now.
This squib of a squabble should raise the wryest smile on any knowing lip. Kit Marlowe at your service, playwright, wit, and agent of the crown. 'Twas my name that the playgoers loved, and to my plays they flocked, till a spot of bother on royal business led me to stage my own death like an actor in tragedy. Well, a dead man writes no plays, but Will Shakespeare sheltered me, and brought my new plays to the stage under his own name. I begrudge him not the fame it brought him, and if faith, I thank him for it.
And that's not to mention William Stanley, Earl of Derby, Henry Neville, Mary Sidney, or any one of another 80 people. And everyone knows I worked with Anthony Munday, Henry Chettle, Thomas Haywood, Thomas Dekker, Thomas Middleton, and every other Thomas. So you see, with all these other bods to write Shakespeare for me, why would I do it myself?